Good morning, everybody. We're going to do a quick safety inspection. Well, I've already done one, but I'm going to kind of walk you through a quick one here. When opening the hood, first, you want to check the oil. It's right there. You want to make sure all these cables are zip tied up, not dangling around. Got tape on this one, zip tie, zip ties, zip ties. This one has a power steering pump, obviously. They're all gonna have one. I've already checked it. It is full. Over here, gonna look at your brakes. Make sure your brakes are good on the driver's side. Make sure that pin is in. As you see, this is down, so we're gonna pick this up, put it back in its place. You're gonna look at your fuel filter and make sure your fuel filter is good. You're gonna see, make sure you don't see any kind of leaks. Now, I just had a service done yesterday. They greased that. Take your steering, move it, make sure there's not too much play in it. You're gonna walk around to the other side. Make sure your windshield washer fluid has fluid in it. Come over here, you're gonna make sure you don't see any kind of leaks. Make sure your coolant level is filled up. Now it has cold max. That's where you want it. And while you're under here, you're also going to be listening for any kind of leaks. Not hearing any leaks. Check the brakes over on this side. Everything seems to be hunky-dory. Now, I've already checked the air pressure in my tires, which is good. You want to make sure your hoses are connected along with your light cord, as with back here. You want to make sure that you have no cuts or anything else in your air lines or in your electrical cord. Everything is still up and going, held up. Nothing is loose. You can always check that by pulling down on one of them. Then this one. You want to make sure nothing is between your tires. If you do encounter something like a big rock or something between your tires, you're going to have to get that out. Because unfortunately, if you're going down the road, that rock is going to come out. You want to make sure your lights on the back are working. Even with a trailer on you, you've got to make sure that the lights are working. I don't have a flashlight on me right now, but I can see it. But you got to make sure your fifth wheel is locked around the kingpin on the trailer. Walk down the side of your trailer, looking for any cuts in your trailer. Make sure your light is working. Walk through the water. Make sure your air lines up under your trailer are firmly secured. Again, you're going to look for any rocks or anything in between the trailer tires. Make sure the mud flaps are secured. It is a little windy out here today. We'll make sure the lights on the back of the trailer are working, and at the top, which you can't probably see it, but they are working. If the trailer is empty, you're going to look inside the trailer for any holes. If it's raining, you'd be looking for leaks. No holes. Trailer door is secure. You're going to want to look at these, make sure these are secured on, because you don't want to be driving down the road and your trailer door fall off. That would not be a good thing. You're going to walk down this side. Again, looking for any kind of holes, cuts, missing rivets. Make sure your light is working. Everything's good on this side. We'll make sure the lights at the very top are working, which you probably can't see it, but they are working. We'll make sure everything is soundly secured on this side. Grab the mirror and shake it. It's all working. Again, I've already checked the air pressure. Air pressure is good. I will have to get my truck washed eventually. I don't do that anymore. Drop the hood down. That way you can see, make sure the lights are working on the front of the truck. Want to latch that part of the hood down, and we're going to lift this up. Make sure that's secured. Make sure the lights on the top of the truck are working, which they are. Shake that, make sure it's not going to go nowhere. Make sure that light's working. That light is working. That light's working. You got that light on the driver's side mirror. Then you've also got the same thing on the passenger side mirror. It's all working. I'm going to show you something real quick. Just so everybody can get an understanding of how far it takes us to stop a fully loaded semi on dry pavement. I'm going to walk to this fence. Where you see those trucks sitting at right now, dead ahead of me, that, from where I am, is basically how long it takes for a semi fully loaded to stop on dry pavement. It's not an exact measurement, but it is pretty close. Thank you for watching. I will see everybody in Missouri.